Hello everybody, this is Wee from Mama Wee's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, on Mama Wee's menu, we are making curry meat pies. These pies are so delicious. They are moist and flaky. So let's get started. You know Mama Wee doesn't like to waste time. For the ingredients, you'll need all-purpose flour, ice water, salt, sugar, 1 egg, and cold butter. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna add sugar and salt to the flour, then give it a good mix. Once everything has combined, I'm gonna go ahead and grate the cold butter into the flour. Using clean hands, I'm gonna go ahead cut the butter into the dry ingredients until it forms a roughly pea-sized lumps. Just like so. Next, we're gonna go ahead, whisk 1 egg, pour into the flour mixture, then add about 2 tablespoons of cold water. Use a wooden spoon to quickly mix the ice water and egg into the dough until it's evenly combined. If the dough is not sticking together, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water to help it clump. Be careful not to overmix the dough during this process. You don't want to overwork the gluten. Transfer the dough into a clean working surface. Using your hands, quickly pack the dough into a ball and then flatten it into an even disc. Wrap the disc tightly in the plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 1 hour or up to 3 days. Then it will be ready to use. Now we're gonna move on to work on our filling. In a medium pan, add potatoes and water and parboil them for 3 minutes. So while our potatoes are going on, we're gonna go ahead and work on the ground beef. In a medium bowl, add ground beef. Use a wooden spoon to cut it up in chunks, just like so guys. Next, we're gonna add onions along with minced garlic, salt. We're gonna add black pepper along with turmeric and curry. Then we're gonna mix everything thoroughly. Continue to cook for 2 minutes. Next, we're gonna add frozen peas and carrots. Continue to mix. Then we're gonna add cornstarch slurry, which is 2 parts cold water and 1 part cornstarch. The cornstarch slurry, guys, will help to thicken our filling. Add potatoes. Always, guys, add the potatoes last. They are parboiled. We don't want mushy potatoes. So we're gonna continue to cook this for a minute. Then our filling is ready. We're gonna set it aside and allow it to cool slightly. Now it's time to assemble our pies. Using rolling pin, gently press the pie dough out into a large circle. Always start at the center of the crust and work outwards. You want your dough to be like half-inch thick, guys. Just like so. Then we're gonna use pie dough press to cut discs. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna take the scraps and re-roll them again. I'm not gonna throw anything away, guys. So this recipe yields 10 medium pies. Now it's time to assemble our pies. Place about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the meat mixture in the center. Then fold over the dough and seal it with a fork. Guys, you can also use water. It helps to seal the edges of the pie, but it works fine both ways, with or without water. These pies are so delicious, guys. Flaky on the outside and moist in the inside. Repeat the same process with the remaining dough. You can also use pie dough press. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it looks with the pie dough press. Beautiful pie. So now we're gonna go ahead and egg wash our pies. In my bowl here I have 1 egg yolk and 1 tablespoon of water. If you are enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Next, we're gonna take a fork and poke holes into our pies. This allows the steam to escape while baking. Now our pies are ready to be baked. We're gonna bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. There you have it, guys. Curry meat pies. Share this video with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.